There's another one. Jeez. Dude, seriously. What the heck?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:34 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedar.
Oh no, wait, it hasn't updated yet.
Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters.
Oh, dang.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
I thought this was only a marginal risk.
Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Rockton, Byron, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Forreston, Durand, Stillman Valley, New Milford, Monroe Center, Leaf River, Seward and Adeline, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 111 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 18. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Bro, I've literally got 3 severe thunderstorm warnings in like the last 10 minutes. Oh yeah, there you go. I'm starting to organize.